I mean, it's just been motorcycle mayhem. And I've just been on the go for the last 14 days. I have not stopped. I experienced so much. And I'm actually like, when I get home and I put my feet up, I'm going to digest what has happened. I mean, from going to the MotoGP, I got to go inside Brad Binder's pit and go chat to all the technicians. So like, I've just been experiencing the most insane thing.
A kid in a candy store.
Yeah. And then I think what was definitely one of my highlights was taking the bike to the One Motor Show, and then the bike won the One Motor Show award. So
amazing.
Yeah.
That's fucking amazing. That feeling, you can't even buy that